2024. Beijing Capital Airport. Flight CA1234 delays by 47 minutes. Within 6 hours, 847 flights across China are disrupted. How does one delay break an entire system? Every day, 120,000 flights move 12 million passengers across the globe. Each aircraft flies 6 to 8 segments daily. Each crew operates on minute, precise schedules. Each airport slot is a non-renewable resource. According to China's Civil Aviation Administration, 80% of delays stem from uncontrollable factors: weather, airspace restrictions, air traffic control. But the contagion, that's systemic. The cascade begins with resource immobilization. One aircraft stuck on the tarmac. 7 subsequent flights frozen in the schedule. 14 crews stranded across 3 cities. Airport slots operate like musical chairs. Miss your 14 to 35 departure window and you're pushed to 17:20. But 73 other flights are already queued. The domino falls forward, never backward. Ground resources collapse next. Jet bridges, baggage carts, refueling trucks, catering vehicles. When delays cluster, the system experiences what economists call a resource run. Demand overwhelms supply instantaneously. By hour 3, the network fractures. Connecting passengers miss onward flights. Crews exceed duty time limits and are grounded. Maintenance windows evaporate. A single 2-hour delay creates 16 hours of accumulated disruption across the network.